Good morning, Vice students. This is Thursday, September 17th. Today you're going to complete the South Dakota Career Interest Survey. So over the last few days you went through PowerPoint and Chapter 4, and then I also had you go through and answer these 108 little tidbits to see how much you liked or did not like each item. Using that information, you can now tabulate a couple of different primary interests based on how you answered on those 108 items. So what you need to do now is to go back and look at how you completed those items, and then you're going to tabulate on this page 4 here. So for item 1, you're going to list out the number of what you put. So again, you either put 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So let's say you put a 4 for number 1. So down here you would write 4. Then you go to item 2. Item 2, let's say you put a 5. Then over here you would put a 5. And you can see a pattern here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to go through and fill out each of those. Then when you're done, you're going to tabulate each column, and then you're going to come up with a score. All right, once you have your score for the 6 columns, it's going to basically give you your primary interest. That's going to be the column with the highest total score, your secondary interest, and then your third area of interest. So top, second, third. Then from there, what you can do is I have posted the links here, southdakota.jobs.org. I'll explain those two in a minute here. And it'll take you to southdakota.gov. And what you're going to want to do here is click on Workforce Services for Individuals. Then you're going to want to click on this tab here, Career Exploration. Right? And what we completed was your South Dakota Career Interest Survey. So click on there. And then you're going to look at Exploring Occupations of Interest. So what this does is this tells you each of those 6 columns, some of the qualities that each of those has. So let's say you wound up with your number 1 column being the artistic occupations. You can click on there, and now what this is going to do is give you an alphabetized list of a lot of these careers that fit into your interests. And what you can do is just explore here and just kind of look at some of the information for each of the jobs. You're not going to do anything with these today other than get your 3 main areas of interest and just kind of look at some of the jobs that are associated with it. Keep in mind one thing is the information on this page is specific to the South Dakota Department of Labor and Regulation. So again, it's a different geographic region in the U.S. than, say, the Midwest. So some of the job availability and some of the wages might be different in different areas of the country. But by going through the interest survey, and if you were answering honestly, you should be able to come up with, your top 1, 2, or 3 areas of interest, which then again could help you isolate some different job types. Another website you can go to, the link will be live when you see it, is the Bureau of Labor Statistics.gov. There's information there about jobs throughout the country. And then that last one I'm going to erase because we'll get to that when we start looking at scholarship information. All right, so just again, watch this video, complete your interest survey, and do some exploration yourself to see that your interests are lining up with some of the career choices you're hoping to make in the next few years. Tomorrow, Friday, you will have your second quiz on chapters 3 and 4. So have everything completed, your notes completed, have those ready to go to help you through the quiz. The quiz will be open until 3 p.m. And then when you're done with the quiz, you should share your notes document with me. So you want to complete the interest survey today, Thursday, and then take the quiz and share your notes with me tomorrow. Have a good weekend, and I will talk with you again on Monday.